Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you all are safe. So in today's tutorial, I am here with a spring makeup look. For that I have created this red and golden full cut crease eye look. When I started filming, I did not know what look I would create, but I definitely done before and this is what I came up with and I am really happy with the outcome. Before starting, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. For that, go to your YouTube app, press that red subscribe button, also press the bell icon next to it so that you get notification whenever I upload a new video, and it is absolutely free. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. As always, I'm starting with my brows first. For that, I'm taking this Milani Stay Put Brow Pomade in the shade 05 dark brown, and I'm just drawing the borders of my brows first, then I'll be filling them up using smaller strokes. And the brush that I'm using is from Morphe. This is from their Morphe X Jeffree Star collection. Now with the spoolie, I'm just combing my brows so that the product is well saturated. Now I'm taking my Covergirl TruBlend Undercover concealer in the shade soft tan, and I'm just cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. Whenever I'm doing a full glam party look, I always tend to follow this step. It makes a huge difference on the way my brows look. I'm applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows. That is coming up next, and the sponge is from Studio 35. Now I'm taking my Rimmel Stem Matte Loose Powder in transparent, and I'm just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. For my eyes, first I'm taking Heat On from my Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, and I'm just applying it slightly above my crease because I have hooded eyes. And with this E.L.F brush, I'm just slowly building up the pigmentation and I'm winging it out a bit. This is a stunning matte bright red color and it is so pigmented. Now I'm taking next, which is a dark maroon color. This is also a matte shade, and I'm just deepening up the previous shade even more because I'm going to cut my crease. For that, my crease has to be really dark and defined. And again, I'm just slowly building up the pigmentation to avoid any kind of patchiness. Now I'm taking Positivity, which is a beautiful matte coral shade, and with this I'm just diffusing the border of the previous shade to make it look as if it is just melting on my own skin, you know. And the brush that I'm using is from Flower Beauty. It came with their eyeshadow palette. Now I'm just cutting my crease, and I'm going to do a full cut crease look today. And the brush that I'm using is from Puna store. This is the lip brush. With the same concealer, I'm just cutting my crease, and I decided to not to fast forward this step, just so that you can have a clear idea of what I'm doing here. Now I'm just reapplying the concealer again. Now I'm taking next again with a small brush, and I'm just applying it on the border of that cut crease to make it look even defined and prominent. Now I'm taking Talia, which is a beautiful gold color. This is kind of a eyeshadow topper or a gold pressed pigment, and I'm just applying it all over on my eyelid, and I switched to a brush just to have that nice precise application. And I'm taking Crazy, which is a dark burgundy red shade, and I'm just drawing a wing with it. And the brush that I'm using again from Puna store. You guys always ask me for affordable brush recommendation or brush kit. I got this brush set from Amazon.in. It was only for like 700 rupees, and it comes with 24 brushes and one brush kit as well. You can definitely go ahead and check that out. I will link it down in the description bar below. Now I'm just applying a glitter eyeliner on the border of my cut crease just to make it look even prominent. I got these glitter eyeliners from Amazon. I will link it down in the description bar below, so please do check that out. Before continuing with my eye makeup further, I'm going to finish my base. For that, first I'm taking this E.L.F Jelly Pop primer and I'm just priming my entire face and neck. I already moisturized my face about half an hour ago. For my foundation, I'm going with this Too Faced Dew foundation in the shade Sand, and I'm just applying it all over on my face and neck. Then I'll be blending it out using a damp beauty sponge. This sponge is from Eco Tools, and the foundation that I'm using is one of my favorite foundations. It is medium to full coverage and I love the way it looks on my skin. It is a perfect foundation for people with dry skin. Now for highlighting and concealing, I'm using the same concealer and I'm just applying it underneath my eyes, on the center of my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, cupid bow, chin, on the sides of my mouth, and just under where I'm going to place my contour next. Now I'm just blending it out again with the same damp beauty sponge. This concealer tends to oxidize just a bit, so I'm planning to get a lighter shade after I finish this one. Look at the coverage. It gives a pretty full coverage. Love the formula of this concealer. I'm just setting my under eyes as well as my smile lines with the same Rimmel Stay Matte Loose Powder. To set my entire makeup, I'm taking my Maybelline SuperStay Powder Foundation in 312 Golden, and I'm just setting my entire makeup, and I am just in love with this powder. You can see it is pretty evident. I'm about to finish it. Now I'm going to finish my eye makeup. For that, first I'm tightening my eyes using my Jordana Easy Liner in the shade Jet Black. Now I'm taking Crazy with an angled brush and I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line, and I'm connecting this shade with my winged eyeliner just to make it look put together. Now I'm taking Positivity, which is the coral shade, and I'm just diffusing the border of the previous shade, just to make it look even, just to make it look put together and just to tie the look together. Now I'm just highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners with my L.A.Girl highlighter in the shade Ballerina. I'm curling my natural lashes with this big eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Essence Volume Style Mascara. I think it is that one that comes in a purple tube. And for my lashes, I'm going with these Kiss lashes in this style Gala, and here is the final eye look. I am in love with this look. What do you guys think? This is something different for me and for you as well, because you haven't seen this type of a look on my channel, but I am in love with this look. I'm going to finish my face. For that, first I'm taking this Milani bronzer in Suntan and I'm just contouring the parameters of my face. This bronzer is, again, I love it for contouring. This is not too warm toned, not too cool toned. It is just perfect for Indian skin tone. Sometimes a bronzer that is like too cool toned, it looks a bit grayish on our skin tone, but this particular bronzer doesn't do that, so it is perfect for contouring. I'm taking my Bareminerals Invisible Bronzer in Tan and I'm just bronzing up my face even more. Again, love this stuff. It is a very nice skin-like bronzer. For my blush, I'm going with this L.A.Girl Island Hottie Blush Palette, and I'm basically mixing all those shades together and I'm just applying it on my cheeks with my Flower Beauty Blush brush. Now I'm taking this L.A.Girl highlighter in the shade Ballerina and I'm just hitting the high points of my face. That means my cheekbones, also the apples of my cheeks, my chin, cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose and the sides of my forehead, and the brush is from Do Care. Now I'm taking this Mario Badescu facial mist and I'm just setting my entire makeup with it. For my lips, I'm going with my NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Exotic first, then I will top it up with the brand new Wet n Wild lip stain lip gloss, and I completely forgot the shade. I will mention it in the description bar down below, so please do check that out. And that's pretty much it. And here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. For me especially, I am quite impressed with the look. And if you have any makeup request, any particular makeup tutorial, then please let me know. I'll be more than happy to make it for you. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please like the video and please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please do check that out. So yeah, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care.